next one, that is your gate 2001. It is your gate 2001. Okay, now again I will give you three function. You have to tell me which one is going to be the big O, means which is the greater one. So let fn is equal to n square log n, gn is equal to n log n base 10, b2 positive function, b2 positive function of n, b2 positive function of n. Now tell me which is going to be the big O of that, which is greater, fn or gn? That only in the option they are asking. Okay, so let fn is equal to n square log n, gn is equal to n log n, b2 positive function of n. Now they are asking which of the following statement statements is correct. So now tell me which is going to be the answer. It's your gate 2001. B is the correct one. So Gn is equal to big O of Fn, and that Fn is not smaller than this. Correct. So anyone, is it required to explain, or can I go to the next one? This is the correct one. This, if you compare n square log n and n log n to the power 10, okay, to the power 10, you cancel this 1 n. So it is n log n, and it is your log n to the power 10. So take some number, you will see it. So this is going to be the greater only. By seeing only you can say that it is going to be the greater. Okay.